Here is how a Rockstar land specialized agent can make you money. All right, guys, the most important relationship when it comes to land flipping a deal is with your land specialized agent. You're going to say, well, why is that? Well, they are going to help you maximize your profit, and I'm going to show you how. All right, let's just back up and say, what is a land specialized agent? Land specialized agent, that 80 to 90% of the deals they do are land only. So we don't want somebody that occasionally does a land deal. A land specialized agent is different. This is kind of like a doctor, right? You're not going to have somebody that is a dentist do heart surgery. You're not going to have a general practitioner replace your knee, right? That's the type of thing. Are they both doctors? Yes. But that doesn't mean they're qualified to do a knee replacement, but they may be qualified to see if you have strep throat. So there's a big difference here, and it's important that you realize that the idea of specialization. And specialization is something that makes a big difference in your investing to help you get the right number. So that's the first thing. A land specialized agent is going to help you avoid bad deals. There's a few reasons for this. One, they're going to use their local knowledge, the areas and those types of things, and what they know. Local knowledge is things that you really only know if you live there. Second thing that they're going to help you do is they're going to use their experiential knowledge to walk the property and let you know if there's concerns where you should get more evaluations done on the property. So they're going to walk the property and let you know from their experience. The next thing that they're going to do is they are going to save you massive amount of time. Okay, so the idea here is you're finding them, let your land specialized agents give you the thumbs up, and then let them worry about closing it, finding a buyer and closing them while you're off looking to find a new deal. Now, are you giving up some profit to do this? Yes, but the argument would be if you sell it a lot faster, you're probably not giving up as much as some people may say. Okay, so you're gonna save some time. And next, what we're going to talk about is how important this relationship is. Now, they've got to be a good land specialized agent. If they're just a so-so land specialized agent, or if they're a poor land specialized agent, that's not going to do anything for you. You want it, well, it can actually hurt you more than help you. You want to have great relationships with land specialized agents so they can help you, and you'll use that same agent time and time again. For me, I'm looking for great land specialized agents, and when I find those great land specialized agents, that's where I'm going to do my marketing. That's the deals that I'm going to be going after, is where I have great land specialized agents. So you're going to say, well, why do you go try and find a property first? And the reason is because a good land specialized agent is not going to want to talk to you about hypothetical. They're going to want to talk to you about an actual deal. So if you want to get somebody that's a specialized, fantastic land specialized agent to help you, you're going to need to say, I've got a property. I want you to look at listing it, and that's what's going to get them to pick up the phone, and you can start a relationship from there. Now, I've got another video we've put together. It is, what is land and is it profitable? Check out this video. Know you're going to like it, and make it a profitable day.